Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Life with Dree, and today I'm doing a different kind of video. I'm doing a unboxing video, which I've never done before, and so yeah, I'm just super excited. So first, let me talk about what I got. Okay, so I ordered some shoes off Stockx app. If y'all have never heard of that app, it's an app where you can purchase like sneakers that have been like previously worn but in like excellent condition. You can get purses, you can get watches, you can get I think apparel. Yeah, you can get stuff like that on there. You can bid, you can sell, you can just buy it outright, like whatever you want. So the app is kind of throwed. Anyways, but yeah, let me talk about what I got. I got some Yeezy Boost 350s. Yes, that's what I got. And so like, I'm excited because I've never, like, I always wanted these shoes for so long. I wanted these shoes for like 8 months. And it's like, I was putting it off because I just could not fathom paying that much money for some shoes. But I was like, you know what? Finally, I'm gonna just get the shoes, whatever. And the cheapest I've seen them was on the Stockx app. So I was like, I'm just gonna get them. So I got them. And so today, y'all are gonna watch me open up my box. I just got the package like 2 hours ago from UPS. So I'm gonna open this and see how it is and try them on and everything for y'all on camera, okay? So, got my scissors. I got the box. Trying to hide my address. Okay. So here we go. So this is from Stockx, and it says the price and everything like that. Let me hide my address, but it says like, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it says the shoe I got and how much I paid for them and everything like that. Stockx, that's from them. Now let's look at these shoes. Eek, they look so cute. Okay. This is a size 8. I got a size 8. Ooh, I like this. I really hope they look good on my feet. They look so cute on camera. Oh, it got this little Stockx tag on here, let you know it's authentic. And it do say Adidas Yeezy inside, so it is the real deal. So yes, okay, they smell good. These smell good. Okay, let me look at the other one. I'll make sure I ain't got 2 left feet up in here. 2 left feet shoes. Let me check both of them. So yeah, these are cute, y'all. I like they look cute when you hold them. Like yes, like I'm so excited. I got some. I'm finna try these on for y'all though, and then y'all gonna see what they look like on my feet. Okay, so that was it, y'all, and that is it about these Yeezy 350 Boost. Hopefully y'all can take something from this video if you ever wanted to purchase some, or if you feel like you want to get some now, whatever. Hopefully this will help y'all in making that decision. They're pretty comfortable. I like them on my feet. I wear a 9 in women's. This is an 8 in men's, and it was pretty close to the edge. I don't think they have these in half sizes. If they do, if you're a 9 in women's, I would probably get an 8.5 just to have that cushion. But these shoes kind of look big. Like, they kind of look big already. So if you get it a little bit bigger, it might look super big on your foot. I don't know. But overall, yeah, I think these will be okay. It wasn't an uncomfortable thing though, so it wasn't uncomfortable at all. It's just a little, it's close. That's all I'm saying. It's close, but it's not uncomfortable. So yeah, but that's it for this video. And yeah, 'tis all. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Adios.